Hi and welcome to this WordPress course. In the previous video, we have learned what WordPress is, we have learned the features of WordPress, we have learned who is using WordPress. But the important question that you must ask is why should you use WordPress? What are the technical aspects? So those people are using WordPress, but that does not mean that you have to. So why should you use WordPress? What are the technical reason that you should use WordPress? What are the reason? Okay. So let's talk about all those reasons. You should use WordPress because WordPress is free and it is the most powerful website builder out there. It is the most powerful builder out there and it's free. You don't have to pay a single penny to use WordPress. You don't have to pay a single penny. And 43% of all the website, 43% of all the website on the internet is built using WordPress, and it shows you how popular WordPress is and how powerful WordPress is. Your WordPress is powering 43% of all the website on the internet, and it is very easy to use and very easy to learn. You can learn WordPress in a week, and using WordPress is also very easy, and that's why 43% of all the websites on the internet are using WordPress, because it is very easy to use and it is highly customizable. I told you in the features lesson that you have thousands and thousands of design, you have 55,000 plugin. So WordPress is highly customizable, and it is also very SEO friendly. If you are building a website, then you want people to find you on the search engine. You want that because your business or your reach depends on your SEO, and WordPress is SEO friendly, and that is one more reason to use WordPress. And WordPress is very safe and it is very secure. WordPress has a very robust security system. I've already talked about this, right? You remember, right? So WordPress is very secure. You don't have to worry about the security aspect at all. WordPress has a very robust security system. Just make sure that your password is long, normal password. Just don't type 1234567 in your password. Just have a good password and your website will be safe. WordPress is very safe when it comes to security, when it comes to hacking. And there is one more reason why you should be using WordPress, and this is a very important reason. It's a very important point. You should be using WordPress because of the community, because 43% of the internet is using WordPress, and that means that all the question, all the problem that you are running into, all the questions that you can think of, they are already answered, because WordPress community is very huge. It's very huge. All the solutions of all the problem, all the answers of your question, they are already available out there. They are already out there. You just have to search for it and you will get your answer. WordPress has a very large community support, so this is one more reason why you should be using WordPress. And if you are still not convinced, then just take my word for it. Just trust me. I will teach you WordPress, and WordPress is the best tool out there. Alright, so that's it for this video, and let's do some real stuff. Let's install WordPress on our system. Alright, all of that in the next video. Bye.